If you want to capture a video using dual camera on your iPhone 17, I show you how. So the process is very simple. First open the camera app and switch to video. Now just click this icon, dot icons, 6 dots. Now at the bottom you can see this dual camera option. Just click that. That's it. Now it's turned on. This is your selfie view, selfie camera, and this is your back camera video. So just like that, just tap the start button. That's it. It's recording. Here you can see. Now if you want to finish, again tap. Let's see the video. Here you can see. So this is how the video looks like. Here you can see. If you turn down, yellow icon will be shows up. If you want to turn off this, again click. Now it's connected into normal video recording. This will also works on selfie camera also. In case if you turn on the selfie camera and want to turn on dual mode, means click the same dots, dual camera, and same process for both thing. If you want to adjust the camera, here you can adjust like this, back camera adjustment, and turn on the recording. That's it. This is how we need to do. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17, watch this playlist.